I'm Christy with Clients First Business Solutions, and today's demo will cover the ShopFloorPro process, which is a process within Acumatica for the manufacturing edition. Clients First Business Solutions has created a specialized approach to assist the shop floor by providing one quick and easy process to record labor, attach documents to the production order either at the operation level or the production order level itself, and record whole or partial quantities produced upon completion, which is fully compatible with Acumatica's standard functionality. Before we begin, you can see that I am logged into Acumatica already. However, you can access the ShopFloorPro by either utilizing the global search that you have here on the top left, or by navigating to the production order module. You can access the ShopFloorPro under processes. Although I'm logged into Acumatica at this time, ShopFloorPro is built to be a standalone process as well, so each employee will have their own login as you see here. Once you've typed in your credentials, select Login. Once you're logged in, the first screen that you see here allows you to select the work center that you would like to operate out of. Today we're going to select Assembly. In the production order area that you see here on the top, you can see that all the production orders are listed, which has a status of released or in process, allowing you to scroll through the production orders and select the one that you would like to go ahead and start producing. In the operations section, you can see that we have operation 10, which gives you the operation description, the quantity to produce, and the quantity which has already been produced. By selecting the operation number, this will populate the details on the bottom. Under materials, this will list all the materials that are needed for this operation, providing you the quantity required, and also allowing you to go ahead and backflush material if you so desire, or you can mark the items for PO if you happen to not have stock, or mark for production if this is also a material that you produce in-house. Under steps, step instructions would be listed if they were populated onto your work order. Under tools, if tools were needed specifically for this production order, they would be listed under the tools section. Focusing on the items listed below, we have a move button, labor, documents, and a task. I'll start for the task button first and then move on to the others. Tasks are created to inform another party there is a specific action which needs to be taken care of. So for example, if a machine needs calibration or is simply not working, you would select the task button, provide it a priority, assign it to an owner or your production supervisor perhaps, provide it a subject. In the description section, you can provide it more information if you wish. By selecting the Submit button, this assigned task will be placed on the designated dashboard, or you have the option to have a business event notification sent via email to anyone in your organization. The next section I would like to discuss will be Docs, which is short for documentation. By selecting Doc, this will allow you to attach documents either at the production order level or at the operation level itself. ShopFloorPro does support PDFs, PNGs, Word, and JPEG documentations, so your shop floor can easily review documents which may have been attached. The labor section. To record labor, you simply select the labor button, select the employee ID, select clock in, and as you can see, the start time has updated automatically to start clocking that time that you're going to be spending on this operation. At any time throughout the work process, you can simply come back to the labor option button, click back on it, select the clock out button, and as you can see, the end time updated, giving you the labor time of 1 minute in real time. Once I have clocked out of my job, I would simply select the Release Labor option. By selecting the Release Labor, you are telling the system to go ahead and record that labor time onto the production order. Production managers will now see time allocated within their dashboard or individual production orders, which can then flow through an approval process if so desired. The Move button. The Move button simply means you are telling the system to move quantities produced into a quantity complete stage, acting as an action taken on the production order. So by selecting Move, from this screen you will go ahead and populate a description that you want to describe as your move transaction. Quantity 1 produced. Select the quantity that you would like to go ahead and move. We'll select 1. Select Create Move. Having the shop floor use the ShopFloorPro process provides a one-step connection to the production order, allowing the shop to perform all necessary actions in one screen. This will conclude today's demonstration on Clients First Business Solutions ShopFloorPro functionality, and to learn more or make a purchase, please reach out to Clients First Business Solutions or contact your current Acumatica partner.